Open 360proxy client and log in. Select the proxy IP you want to use. Right-click and select Forward Port to Proxy. Select 10,000 free. Click Port Forward List and copy. Open Adspower. Click Proxies. Click Add Proxy. Input SOCKS 5 and paste the IP. Click OK. Click New Profile. Find Proxy. Click Saved Proxies. Select the IP you just entered. You can choose the account platform. Finally, click OK. You can open and use it. And there's another way to do it. Click New Profile. Find Proxy. Choose SOCKS 5. Paste the copied IP. Click Check the network. You can see your proxy IP. Click OK. Click Open. Now, you can check your IP address. Here you can see that the IP address you copied on the 360proxy client is consistent with your current IP address. After click Open, a new web page will jump directly to display. The IP information after successful proxy will be displayed here, which means that the proxy is successful and the IP address has been changed, and now you can use it.